Rugby, cricket, football, chances are you have either played or watched one of these sports at least once. But do you want to try shin kicking, toe wrestling, pancake racing, tar barrel wrestling or gurning? This last one is a contest where the ugliest face wins. And what ties all of them together? They all originated in the United Kingdom. Curious? We'll share more, but if you wish to head straight away to the visa process, jump ahead to the timestamp visa process to get started. This is UK. As you can see, the main chunk of it is located off the northwestern coast of Europe. This is the Great Britain, which is further made up of 3 constituent countries: England, Scotland and Wales. From here they also govern Northern Ireland, which does not have official political title and lies across the Irish Sea. And along with these, the UK has 3 crown dependencies and 14 overseas territories. Yep, UK is vast, but here's what we need to know. London, Manchester, Birmingham, Edinburgh, Cardiff and Dublin. These are all the places with majority of attractions, and 2 weeks are enough to cover them all. You would ideally want to start and spend 3-4 days in London with day trips to Windsor and Oxford and day each in every other said city. Like this, you will be able to cover and see almost everything the United Kingdom has to offer. The castles, museums, pubs, stadiums, arts, churches and more. And all of this would be seamless due to UK's extensive rail and road network, and enjoyable because you will most likely bump into many Indians since we form the largest ethnic community in UK. Perhaps that's why last year 1 in every 4 UK visitor visa was granted to an Indian. And speaking of visitor visas, let's show you how you can get one. There are 2 ways to obtain a UK visitor visa. First, you can apply through Atlys. Second, you can do it on your own. We'll share both, but let's start with the simpler one. Head to Google and search for UK Visa Atlys. This is the official website. Once you are in, on the left side, you will find all the important information, for example, visa type, application process, FAQs and more. Feel free to go through it, and when you are ready, click on Start Application. The platform would ask your departure date or month, and once you confirm the same, your application would begin. All that we would need from you is to steadily hold front page of your passport and some details about you and your family. Once you have completed the same and made the payment for the government fee, the online steps are finished. We'll reach out to you in a couple of days to confirm your preferred time for scheduling your offline visa appointment and to help you compile the necessary documents. A checklist of the same is attached in the comment section below. Now, if you're someone who is comfortable applying on your own, here's what you need to do. First, fill the online form. Heads up, the form is comprehensive and a long one. Think of it as assembling a puzzle. Each piece, your personal details, financial information, travel plans and family background is important and needs to fit perfectly for the UK Embassy to make sense and approve your application. To begin, you need to head to the official UK government visa website. This is the one. Here you'll find the application button for the standard visitor visa. Click on the same and your application will begin. Take your time to fill it out. Expect it to take around 30 to 40 minutes, but make sure to review your information carefully. After payment, you'll receive a reference number which starts from GWF and a document checklist. Make a note of them as they are essential for the next set of steps. Second, booking your visa appointment and uploading documents. Your reference number, which starts from GWF, would come in handy here. It will enable you to book a slot for your offline appointment at the nearest visa application center and upload all the documents to support the information you shared in the first step, that is in the online form. To do this, you need to head to this website, VFS Global UK Visa Application. Click on Find Your Center and select the nearest visa application center. Once you are redirected, click the Book Now button and sign in using your reference number and registered email ID. From there, you will be able to pick the available slot. For the documents, you can either upload them online itself or take them with you to the visa application center, though the application center will charge you extra for document scanning, and you will be done with the online process. Did you notice something? That applying on your own takes at least a couple of hours, but with Atlys, you will be able to do the same in minutes. So whatever suits you, go ahead with that. Now the visa appointment is the final step, and we will be coming with a detailed video on this soon. But for now, here are a few important things you should know. Before heading in for the appointment, make sure you have your passport, your application form receipt, appointment confirmation letter, document checklist. These are essential to verify your profile, and post that you will be required to complete 2 tasks: submit biometrics, that is fingerprints and photo, and passport. And that's it. If your application is approved, expect to receive your visa within 3 weeks. It would be a multiple entry sticker visa with 6 months validity and length of stay. And in case of a rejection, you'll receive an email from the embassy. To conclude, getting a UK visa is extremely advantageous. Not many know, but the UK visa enables one to access 32 countries visa-free. And once you have UK visa, you can strategically apply for Schengen visa on a fresh passport. But if you are someone who hasn't traveled much, we would suggest taking a trip somewhere nearby first. Our vlogs can be a good starting point to explore beautiful places. We will be back soon with another episode of How to Visa with Atlys. Till then, travel safe. See you soon.